Hey Fred, my name is Stephanie, and I just wanted to make you this short video to show you a few things that you could do to improve your ranking on Google. So I'll get right to it because I don't want to waste your time or mine. The three things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So when we're looking at your site, you have a really nice website, but you don't have a whole lot of content on your home page. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. When we're looking at South Shore, we can see that they have a lot of content on their homepage. They have over 1,500 words. And then JCB is another competitor. They don't have a whole lot of content, but they do have the edge of their site going for them. But either way, that is very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we are searching for roofing company, Savannah, Georgia, at the top we'll always have the paid ads. The next section is going to be the map pack, and then below that is the organic section. And citations come to play in the map pack. And that is basically how you're going to rank to the top 3 positions is by adding your name, address, and phone number to different directories throughout the internet. And I like to use whitespark.ca to find out how many citations each business has. So if we look at JCB, they have about 50. South Shore Roofing has about 77. So if we were to do your citations, we would just go ahead and add 350 so we could beat out your competition by a landslide. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. And backlinks are how you rank here in the organic section, which is ultimately where you want to be because this is where most traffic happens. So a backlink, simply put, is basically site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, and there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice that you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites pointing back at you. For example, if you had a roofing site in California linking back to you, that would be a lot more effective than Pizza Hut because Google knows that Pizza Hut is not relevant to your niche. So the website that I like to use for that is Ahrefs. When we plug your URL in, we can see that you have 9 referring domains, giving you 26 backlinks. South Shore has 67 referring domains with over 1,800 backlinks. And JCB has 107 referring domains with 489 backlinks. And these two numbers represent the power and trust. Ultimately, we want those in the double digits, and they want to be very close to each other. We see that theirs are in double digits, and then when we get to yours, they're pretty off balance, so we'll definitely want to get that fixed. Just to do a recap, you want to add 1,500 words of keyword-rich content to your home page. Go ahead and get at least 200 to 300 citations added to your business. And then you want to go ahead and get your backlinks fixed and get more relative backlinks added to your site. That is it. We can fix all these things for you. It's what we do. It's why we are reaching out. If you have any questions, you can contact me at info@peerlessstrategies.com or give me a call at 912-661-3473. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.